After a few years of PayPal allowing their users to trade cryptocurrencies, they are upping their crypto game. Now they are releasing PYUSD. That is the PayPal stablecoin backed by US dollars, US dollar deposits, US treasuries, and dollar equivalents, basically. So the same setup as like every stablecoin that we already have. Here's a quick rundown of what you can expect, again, just for US customers. For now, they're using Ethereum to launch this stablecoin, and it's Ethereum layer 1 that they're launching it. It also means that layer 2s on Ethereum can also be implementing PYUSD if they want to. Other attributes include, believe it or not, you can send this PYUSD to other appropriate external wallets. So other Ethereum based wallets, you can send these crypto off of PayPal. Wow, they're letting go of control a little bit there. Or are they? Please stay tuned. There's a lot more. This is the good side, and there's plenty of warnings to be had. Those are at the end of this video, so keep watching. I mentioned before that this will be launched on Ethereum, and just to have some range of scale of understanding, Ethereum has 300,000 to 400,000 daily active users. PayPal has 430 million active accounts that use it. So it's really interesting. They have the platform, they have the users, and now they're presenting their stablecoin to them. It reminds me a lot of Facebook when they were trying to do Libra coin, and there was an awfully big pushback from regulators on this. So will that be the same for PayPal? We're gonna have to wait and see. They just announced this. And again, it's that threat of they already have the onboarded users, and will PYUSD essentially serve as a threat to the US dollar, like many lawmakers have claimed in the past for coins like Libra? Which, by the way, if you don't know what Libra is, that's because they killed it, because they were coming at it from a centralized standpoint. This is why Bitcoin thrived. It was a grassroots movement. It was able to become decentralized slowly over time before it gained real attention, and that was how it survived. It'll be interesting to see if PayPal can pull this one off. Now, if you guys are appreciating insights like this, you have to check out the CT Club. We'll repost everything that we're thinking about the current market conditions, other warnings for security issues, like most recently with Ledger, for example, other hardware wallets that we're considering. If you want to have access to thousands of other people who are in our community, you got to check out the CT Club. You can bounce ideas off of each other. You can join our Discord. As a CT Club member, you get access to special channels. Otherwise, if you just want to join our Discord, there's the free version of that as well. All of that is found down below in the video description. I also have a quote here from Patrick McHenry, who is the chair of the United States House Committee on Financial Services. I'm going to read it so I don't get it wrong. He says, stablecoins like PayPal's PYUSD hold promise as a pillar of our 21st century payment system. Somebody tell this guy about Bitcoin, because you know why PYUSD won't hold any promise for the pillar of your 21st century payment system? Number one, ideally, that payment system would be censorship resistant. It would be decentralized. It would be able to be transacted with in a free manner, right? Well, here's some attributes about PYUSD that a lot of people in the crypto space, myself included, are less than inspired by. In fact, it's what we should expect from a company like PayPal, who try to fine their users $2,500 if they were to post something that PayPal disagreed with. So what they can do with PYUSD, you can look at the smart contract. This smart contract has been audited by the crypto community because, you know, we got guys on it. And they found that it gives PayPal the ability to, number one, freeze funds. That's nothing new from PayPal. Also, much more concerning is that they can wipe out your account. PayPal giveth, PayPal can taketh away. So yeah, you might have this money in your account, but again, if you don't play by the rules, if PayPal doesn't like you, not only can they just freeze your account, they can act like that money never even existed. Probably sending it to themselves to pay off their highest CEO or the employee of the month or something. I don't know. Also, this smart contract that PayPal is using for PYUSD can be changed at any time for any reason by PayPal, because again, they don't care about the community, they don't care about transparency or anything like that. So if they wanted to change the rules of PYUSD, they certainly can do that. So here's the silver lining, is that there's probably going to be millions of people who are now going to have cryptocurrency at their fingertips. They can take PYUSD, take it off of PayPal, and probably use it on some DeFi platforms, being a liquidity provider for PYUSD and earning a passive income, getting exposure to the greater free ecosystem that this cryptocurrency space has built thus far. And if PayPal ever were to act unsavory towards those people, the beauty of PYUSD, it is voluntary. You do not have to use it. So people can just, if they wipe your funds, then that's your lesson to learn. And I'm very sorry that you had to learn it in that way. But there is this is the beauty of cryptocurrency, right? It was created to give us an option to participate freely in, outside of the traditional financial system. So could PayPal be actually accidentally introducing millions more people to the beauty of cryptocurrency? I hope so, and that's going to be my take on this one. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you again tomorrow with a new video.